Good morning, everyone. So, we're going to learn another set of letters, letter names, letter sound with action. So, let's start first with letter F. Letter F says, next is letter G. Letter G says, G. Letter H. Letter H says, next is letter L. Letter L says, ooh. Next is letter C. Letter C says, and the last one is letter Z. Letter Z, you're going to draw a zigzag road and then say, again, this is ooh. This is, and last is, okay, that's it. So don't forget to study and master the sound with action. Next time, bye!